Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna take you through how you can send bulk emails using MailMage in Microsoft Word. If you find this video useful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more content. In this example, I want to send a mail to my staff informing them of the changes in their salaries due to a recent increase in tax. Sending individual mails will take a considerable amount of time, especially if you are sending mails to hundreds or thousands of recipients. The most convenient method is to use MailMage. We will use 3 Microsoft applications to do this. We will need Excel, Word, and Outlook. To start MailMage, open your Word document. The content of this document will be sent to all recipients, so make sure to capture only the content you want all recipients to receive. Go to Mailings, select MailMage, and then select Email Messages. Click on Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. This will open the data source box. Select the Excel document that contains the other elements of the mail to be sent. Click OK to add. To edit the recipient list, click on Edit Recipient List. Here, you can use the checkboxes to add and remove recipients. You can skip this step if there is no need editing the recipient list. To define the personalized portions to be sent to different recipients, put your cursor where you want the content to appear. Click on Insert MailMage and select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. It is therefore important to properly define your Excel data to avoid difficulties here. If you are not sure, you can go back to your Excel data for confirmation. To ensure that you have inserted the appropriate fields, click on Preview Results to verify. Use the forward and backward buttons to go through the document to ensure that the appropriate fields have been inserted. You can also compare it with your Excel data to ensure the right information is going to the right recipient. To wrap up the process and send, click on Finish and Match and select Send Email Messages. In the pop-up box, click into the To box and select the field that contains the email addresses. Type the subject of the mail in the subject line. I will leave the format of the mail in HTML. Before we click OK, let me show you one more thing you can do. If you want to amend the content of the mail for one or more recipients to be a little bit different from the rest, then you have to take Outlook offline. To do this, open Outlook, go to Send or Receive, and click on Work Offline. Go back to the Word document and click OK to send the mails. Here, because Outlook is offline, all the mails will go to your outbox. Click on the mail you want to edit, add to, or remove from the contents, and click on Send. When all changes have been made and you want to send, click on Work Offline again to take it back online. Outlook will automatically send the mails. If you do not want to make any changes to the body of the mail, click on OK after filling out the pop-up box. In my sent items, you can see the mails I sent using MailMatch and also the one I amended. You will see that it contains a slightly different from the rest. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more content.